The reason we looked into IoT platforms and user satisfaction was because we had a lot of questions of people asking, what is the best IoT platform? What makes a specific platform better than the other? Where do some platforms shine? And we really wanted to make sure that we have a comprehensive piece of research that answers this question. So we went out, we had collected more than 800 data points from different people that are actually using IoT platforms in their organizations. And we then had these answers from various industries, including industries like automotive or machinery, but also we had system integrators, we had people that are working on consumer products and other areas. We then created a report out of these answers that looks at various sections. We obviously have an intro section into IoT platforms since we've been looking at this topic for the last 4.5 years. We have a section on what does the decision-making process look like, and we looked at things like what are the main criteria. We then have the biggest section about which are the leading IoT platforms. And we have detailed profiles for each of these platforms as to what makes them a good and bad. And we have 12 different criteria that we compared each of them on. We also asked for individual feedback on each of the platforms. After that, we have a section dedicated for smaller platforms, SMEs and startups, as well as some extra analysis, which we think and we've heard in the past are important, such as things, what's the interplay between IoT platforms and digital twins? What role does edge analytics play, or artificial intelligence? There are a number of insights in this report. I want to highlight 3. The first insight that stood out for me was the big cloud players, clearly Microsoft and Amazon, stand out as the best among end user satisfaction. And this was across the board. Number 2, return on investment was extremely positive. 80% of the people said they have seen a positive return on investment of their IoT platform, and 50% of those said amortization happens within 1 year of introducing the platform. The last thing is, from a decision-making point of view, security is clearly the number 1 aspect that people look at and that people evaluate against. Scalability is the number 2. We have 16 more ranked, and then also ranked by different verticals and areas. But those are the main things. Now, if you want to have a better look at this, you can find the sample in the description box below. You can download that sample. And if you're a corporate research subscriber, you have this report in your download section available to you right now.